Today, we'll be taking a first-class ride on this lesser-known international route between two of Europe's most beautiful cities, so come along for the ride and let's go check them out together. Welcome back to Hungary's capital, Budapest. We are currently outside the stunning Hungarian Parliament building next to the majestic River Danube. Perched upon the hill over the far side of the river is Fisherman's Bastion, my favourite place where you can admire great views over the city while relaxing with a drink, a meal or an ice cream. Okay, let's teleport to early the following morning. I'm outside Budapest Keleti or Eastern Station, one of the three main termini in the city. Today we'll be embarking on an international Eurocity journey to Slovakia's second city, Košice. Keleti Station opened in 1884 and the main concourse has recently been undergoing light modernisation, which has been completed since filming. You can catch international trains from here to Switzerland, Germany, Austria, Romania, Slovenia, Croatia, and our train today is the Eurocity EC 182 service departing at 06:30 to Košice, Slovakia. This train is a combination of international Eurocity and domestic intercity as far as the Hungary-Slovakia border. The mav-start Hungarian coaches, seen here, will then be detached and will continue on with just two ZSSK Slovakian coaches across the border. We will also swap locos there too. Initially we'll be hauled by this MÁV-Start Class 470 electric loco, which has a top speed of 230 km per hour. However, line speed limits today mean we'll only get up to 120 km per hour. Before we board, let's check out our route from Budapest to Košice this morning. Level boarding is not available up to these coaches. As I mentioned, we'll be travelling in first class today, which is located in the front coach. Seating is in a 2+1 layout in a mix of solo seats, bays of 2 and 4, and 4-seat semi-compartments. We depart Budapest Keleti on time at 6:30. The route to Košice is 272 km in length and is scheduled to take us 3 hours and 29 minutes of travel time this morning, arriving at 09:59. The cost of a single adult ticket is as follows: second class 6,460 Hungarian forints, first class 7,980 Hungarian forints. These are a fixed price and cost the same whether you book online or in person, a month in advance or on the day. This is great value for a 3.5-hour international Eurocity service with this level of comfort. I love departing Keleti as you get views of a huge selection of rolling stock from Hungary and many other countries. Just in these few short minutes I saw coaches from Austria, Croatia and Romania. If you want ad-free early access to every video, great perks and to help me do bigger and better reviews, then become a channel member from just £1.99 per month. Just click the link above now or the join button below. Thank you! The first class seats are well padded and have a nice ergonomic shape, providing great comfort. The tables fold out, the armrests adjust, and the seat reclines by sliding the base forward with this lever underneath. There is also a small litter bin, personal reading lights, a single EU power socket on the wall, and curtains on the windows. The AC worked really well too. It was 30 degrees outside later on. Overall, a good first class product from ZSSK, very clean, bright and airy. Let's take a quick peek at our Eurosprinter loco through the front window and then we'll go and check out the rest of the train. The other coach that goes through to Košice today is a ZSSK second class 6-seat compartment coach as seen here, but sometimes it's a 2+2 open plan seating coach and sometimes it's both. And then the Hungarian coaches that terminate at the border include an AC second class one, which requires a supplement to travel in, and two second class non-AC ones, one of which has bike spaces which must be pre-booked for a fee. Oh yeah, they also have opening windows so I can get some amazing train window views for you. Okay, time to make a quick check of the toilets. These are the ones in my First Class Slovakian coach. The water worked fine and the soap was stocked up. As were the hand towels and the toilet paper. Everything was generally very clean, so well done ZSSK. There's even an opening window in this toilet too. Back in my coach, I've moved to a table of 4 as it's very quiet today. This teeny little train, known as a Bzmot, is often referred to as Hungary's Pacer, a small regional train that used to run in the UK. If you'd like to see my review of one of these, click the link above now. This stop, and no, I'm not going to try and pronounce it, serves Hungary's fourth largest city, which has a population of 161,000. Back to the open windows. Now I thought that all trains branded Eurocity were meant to have Wi-Fi and a dining car. This one had neither, so I was wondering if anyone could shed any light on why that might be. Leave me a comment below. We are now approaching the stop just before the Hungary-Slovakia border. As mentioned before, the 3 Hungarian coaches will terminate here, and we'll also have our MÁV loco replaced with a ZSSK one. Bye bye Euro Sprinter, and hello Skoda Class 362. Our new electric loco has a top speed of 120 km per hour and will haul the 2 remaining coaches of this service the final 27 km to Košice. After around 15 minutes stopped here, we are on the way again and will shortly be crossing the border from Hungary to Slovakia. However, we won't even stop as both countries are EU and Schengen zone members, so there are no immigration or customs checks whatsoever. The train is completely dead now, with just me and one other passenger in this coach.
Vitajte na Slovensku. Welcome to Slovakia.
As we are now nearing the end of today's journey, let me summarise my thoughts on this Budapest to Košice Eurocity service. For the price I paid and the level of comfort this train provides, I was very happy with today's trip and would recommend it to anyone looking to travel in these parts. It would be lovely if they could add a dining car and some functional Wi-Fi, but other than that I have no complaints. We pull into Železnička stanica Košice a few minutes late at 10:03. Have you been on any Eastern European international trains before? Which route did you do and how was it? A great service which still leaves you with nearly a full day to explore this beautiful city. It's one of Europe's hidden gems and I love it here. By the way, I'm always open to new video ideas, so leave me a comment or a DM on Instagram or Twitter if there's anything you really want to see on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe as I publish a new review every Friday. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.